Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you two different ways to use Betaflight. That's right, if you have Betaflight you can download it. If you're having trouble, I'm going to show you another way that's more convenient, and you don't really have to have a designated operating system, just browser. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here we go. We're going to show you the first way, which is the traditional way. When you go to the GitHub repository, the versions are at the bottom, as you can see here. The latest version, if you have which machine, Linux, Mac OS, Windows, and some other Android, and some other packages that can be just right for you. So without any further ado, let's download that. I'm going to download my Mac OS. And as you can see, I have a fast internet connection. You can either go to the downloads folder, or sometimes, if you're lucky, the Chrome extension will show you your downloads. And you just click it and you download it. All right, so then I'm going to go here, right? And then you just open it and you just take it and drag it in there. Actually, I don't want to drag it since I already have a copy, but you just do that, and then you have the latest version, which is I will launch it for you so that you guys can see. The latest version is 10. Let's see which version of the 10. If you look here at the top, I'll just click close. Most likely you'll get that error. The latest version is 10.10.0. And you connect your drone to it. And you have to, sometimes if you're using a hub, the connection's not so great. So you just connect it directly to the computer, right? We'll just plug it into the USB-C port, but this particular drone itself has a micro. As you can see, it's lighting up and it's moving. Look at that. Kind of neat, huh? So that's one way. And the other way is, let's say your operating system goes kaput, so you've updated, or you're running the beta version of Mac or whatever, Windows, and sometimes it pushes things before the launch goes public and it stopped working. Well, we've got you covered. So we're just going to plug this drone out because you can only use one port at a time. So we'll just plug this out. Okay, remember this is micro, as you can see. And what we'll do is we'll quit the Betaflight configurator, and then we'll just close that. And now this only works in Chrome or some other Edge and other Windows browsers. But as you can see, they've also made it available for a Mac. And look at that, Betaflight version 11. So we just put it in. Watch, go here. Hopefully none of you have a train to catch. It's about to leave any minute now. So, and again, we'll plug this in. It's a micro, so they're a little bit tricky. But once you get it in, I just wish they didn't put it right there. But this one's pretty good compared to other drones. See, it's lighting up, and once it lights up, so you're like, wait, I just can't press connect, because when you press connect, it works, but sometimes it may not work. So what you would do is you just go back, and you can just go here. I can't find if you can't find it, just click it, and a window pops up, kind of neat, and voila. And then you press connect. Either way, either or, it's going to connect when you press connect, because it just knows. But if it doesn't, then you just do it that way. And look at that. Check it out. Kind of neat, huh? So now I like it. It's a little bit more robust. They put a lot of effort into the graphics. It has a nice kick to it. It's streamlined. The only downside is that it doesn't work on the iPhone. I wonder though if it works on the Android phone. Let us know, because as you know, my Android phone is not the most optimal, so to experiment on, and even if it does show up, we really don't know if it will work. Anyway, yeah, there you go. You can do everything from your ports to your configuration to your powers to your presets to your PIDs, receiver. You want to readjust your receiver, you can do that here too. And that's pretty much it. Anyway, I hope that this video helped you in better understanding the two ways you can use Betaflight and streamline that experience so that it's just right for you when you're having trouble with your OS. Anyway, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.